All right, just looking at the Euro USD. If you follow my channel and you see my progress, and how I get to my my process preparation and how I get to final conclusions, you would understand what I'm about to do in this video. But this is just a quick video. Gotta go run some errands, do what I gotta do. So with the Euro USD, I believe is officially in a downtrend. Okay, now that it took several hours for it to break the trend line structure. Okay, there was a couple of fake outs. It wasn't a fake out. You could make decent money if you really know what you're doing. You could capitalize on how the market moves. So what it did was it broke structure, it broke the trend line. You have to be meticulous about your details when it comes to forex trading. So you see that it broke this. Let me use the red because we are in a downtrend now. So that is what it. Let me start again. Um, Sorry about that. Okay, let's see. So let me zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see what's going. No, not this one yet. So we can clearly see what is going on. And the moving average, you got to know how. Okay, so with the moving average, you only use it when price goes towards a major resistance line or a major support line. That's the only time you use the moving average. That's when it's effective. And I told you guys the best moving averages are the MA9 close and the HMA9 close. A combination of both breeds perfection. So as you can see, Euro USD is officially in a downtrend. They're doing construction outside. That's why it's looking like that. So wish I could. Okay, let me use the magnifying tool. Maybe that could bring things in more perspective. All right, so there we are. Much clearer. So you can see that the HMA9 HMA9 close cross the MA9 close. All right, so let me show you the point where things happen. So when price came out of this trend line structure, you place your sell. I placed my sell on because I don't know this currency much, so I'm trying to study it. I placed it in the demo account because that's what you have to do. You have to be knowledgeable before you start actually doing what you're doing. So once it broke the structure, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just place a sell. Woke up and the demo account was in 15K. So it's just amazing. Just to That's why I say the best way to approach this market is to go with the flow of the market. Never think you know everything. You can never know more than the market. The market is your best teacher. Is you, is God, is you, and the market. And put all your faith in God. So yeah, so it broke structure here. That's when we know, all right, it's time for a major sell. Um, and this right here is where the HMA9 crossed the MA9 close, which is a second confluence, which is letting you know that okay, price is doing what? Price is doing what? It's coming all the way down, possibly to a major key support area, which is right somewhere, somewhere here. Okay, I'm projecting it's gonna come all the way down. It's gonna come all the way down to this major support key area, then bounce back up and officially start a downtrend. So there's gonna be more power selling from now on in the Euro USD. So if we look at here, it's going to 1.2710 is your take home profit in total if you did the right thing and you moved your stop loss into profit the right way. All right, these are deep knowledge that if you want to know more about, you can hit me up. Um, it's just a matter of sharing knowledge and just growing. So right now it's got all day to just move here. It's just gonna the Euro USD. It takes its time, and that's how you know if you know how these pairs move. You just gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, let me clear the charts. Keep it back to how it always want to keep your charts clean. Keep it back to how it was looking. So look out for placing major sales, major sales. All right, all right. Love you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube, Goddess Ken FX. I appreciate the love and support. We we're gonna go into bigger and better things. We're gonna study these markets and we're gonna do this the right way. So, and yeah, my advice for small account is that you have to have extreme risk management and extreme knowledge of what you're doing. But the small account is gonna help you build character. Okay, never over leverage yourself unless you're like 1,000% sure of your next move. So even with that, it's not safe. The thing about a small account is it doesn't give you enough room to withstand a major pushback. So with a small account, the way you approach it is when you see a major 10 in your income. Let's just say if you had 100, let's just say if you had $600 and you saw $50 made, just grab it and go. Build that account, compound it till it becomes big. Compound it till it becomes big to the point that it can withstand pushbacks, and that's when you can actually put in more lot sizes. But for now, with a small account, you have to take your time and grab it as you go. Grab the big amount that you see percentage wise, and build up, compound it up into a larger amount, which can withstand pushbacks and pushing your stop loss into profit, and knowing that you're walking away with good income. So I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Um, Shout out to all the people following me on TradingView. I appreciate the love.